Okay.
So here is our completed wall control, sliding wall control, whatever you want to call it. They're actually two individuals. They get held together with 3 neodymium magnets, which actually holds them quite strong. Strong enough that I'm pretty sure even when we get this filled out all the way, they won't pull apart. While I'm thinking about it, I forgot to tighten down these real quick. So this side's going to have nothing but standards. This one will have the metrics. When you need to get behind there, you can either slide the whole thing over or separate them to get to what you need, which this will be a lot more organized afterwards. I got more of these wall control pegs coming. Of course, I had to build it out far enough to stand off of a fire extinguisher, which is actually only being held up by a 65-pound magnet. This way, if you look behind it, you'll see the wheel, how the wheels stand off, and it just rolls right over one area. Keeps it nice and organized. Allows us more usable space. That side over there is going to have 3, maybe 4 of them. We'll start off with 3, and if I need more, then we'll build a 4th one. I like it. I think the wall control pegboards were the most expensive part. These were $20 for the set, so it's $20, $40. And this was $50 for that rail. These were $10 a piece, so it's $30. So it's $30, $80, $100, $120. These, unfortunately, were like anywhere between $50 to $70 for the whole set, and then another $40 worth of steel in the back, and then of course my time. But it just looks a lot neater, a lot more organized. The hardest part on this side, because this side over here, if you look, has this bottom rail that's perfectly in line with itself all the way across. That one, we have to design around the safe. So what I'll probably end up doing is I'll probably end up putting a V-channel drilled into the concrete and using, where's they going? Right there. These wheels mounted on the bottom, so as it slides along, that V-channel will keep it from kicking over. So then I get more and more stuff cleared up, more space cleared up on the floor, and that way I get space to work on my project Hellbound, which that's what that's for. Yes, I know it's kind of cluttered, but over the next week this garage will get a lot cleaner. Alright, thank you.